Nutrition and health. Nutrition is the science that interprets the nutrients and other substances in food in relation to maintain growth, reproduction, health and disease of an organism. Or nutrition is about eating a healthy and balanced diet. Food and drink provide the energy and nutrients you need to be healthy. There are 7 major classes of nutrients: carbohydrate, fat, fiber, minerals, proteins, vitamins, water. But all living organisms require a continuous supply of energy for various activities. बात करते हैं फूड की. फूड इज एनी सब्सटेंस कंज्यूम्ड टू provide nutritional support for an organism. Food is usually of plant, animal or fungal origin and contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. A food is something that provides nutrients. We all eat food because it provides the fundamental types of materials required to keep our bodies functioning. We need energy to enable growth and repair of tissues, to maintain body temperature and to fuel physical activity. Classification of food. There are 7 types of food. First one is by chemical nature. Second, by function in the body. Third, by chemical properties. Fourth, by mass. Fifth, by origin. Sixth and last, the by nutritive value. केमिकल नेचर में है कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, फैट, विटामिन, मिनरल, डाइटरी फाइबर्स. वाटर by function in the body, energy giving, body building, protective. By chemical properties, organic, inorganic. By mass, macronutrients and micronutrients. By origin, plant foods, animal foods. By nutritive value, cereals and millets, pulses, nuts and oil seeds, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, non-leafy vegetables, root and tubers, fruits, milk and milk products, animal, carbohydrate food, condiments and spices. By chemical nature. फूड के क्लासिफिकेशन में पहला था बाय केमिकल नेचर, जिसमें पहला पढ़ेंगे कार्बोहाइड्रेट. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स आर फाउंड इन अ वाइड रेंज ऑफ बोथ हेल्दी एंड अनहेल्दी फूड्स. For example, bread, beans, milk, potatoes, corn, soft drinks. Carbohydrates also come in a variety of forms. The most common and abundant forms are sugars, fibers, and starches. Carbohydrates are main source of energy, providing 4 kilocalorie per gram. They are also essential for the oxidation of fats and for the synthesis of certain non-essential amino acids. Second one is protein. Protein constitute about 20% of body weight in an adult. They are made up of smaller units called amino acid. Protein is an important macronutrient that every cell in the body needs. There are 24 amino acids known to be needed for human body. Out of them, 9 amino acids which cannot be synthesized in human body. Protein may be either complete and incomplete. Complete proteins are proteins that contain all essential amino acids. For example, leucine, isoleucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, valine, tryptophan, and histidine. Incomplete proteins are proteins that do not contain all essential amino acids. Proteins are needed by the body for following functions: bodybuilding, repair and maintenance of body tissue, maintenance of osmotic pressure, synthesis of substances like antibodies, plasma proteins, hemoglobins, enzymes, hormones, and coagulation factors. Source of protein: both animal and plant foods can be excellent sources of protein. Seafood, lean meats and poultry, eggs, legumes, beans and peas, nuts, seeds, soy products. Dairy products such as milk, cheese and yogurt. The dietary guidelines for Americans 2015 to 2020 provide the following recommended daily amount for protein by sex and age group: child aged 1 to 3, 13 gram; child aged 4 to 8, 19 gram; child aged 9 to 13, 34 gram; female teen aged 14 to 18, 46 gram; male teen aged 14 to 18, 52 gram; female adult aged 19 plus 46 gram; male adult aged 19 plus 56 gram. Third है fat. Fat constitute about 10 to 15% of body weight, is mainly concentrated in adipose tissue. Fats yield fatty acids and glycerol on hydrolysis. The body uses fat as a fuel source, and fat is the major storage form of energy in the body. Fat in food come in several forms, including saturated, monounsaturated, polyunsaturated. Saturated fat is a type of fat containing a high proportion of fatty acid molecules without double bond, considered to be less healthy in the diet than understand fat. For example, red meat, chicken skin, milk, cheese, butter, ice cream. Monounsaturated fat is a type of dietary fat. These are liquid at room temperature but start to harden when chilled. For example, nuts, vegetable oils such as olive, canola and peanut. Polyunsaturated fat is a type of dietary fiber. It is found in plant and animal foods such as vegetables, nuts and seeds. For example, sunflower seeds, flax seed, corn oil, soybean oil, safflower oil, walnut, fish. A diet rich fat can lead to obesity. High fat intake is also a risk factor for coronary heart disease. Deficiency of fat may cause drying of skin. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is an organic molecule that is an essential micronutrient which an organism needs in small quantities for the proper functioning of the metabolism. Vitamins are divided in two groups: fat soluble, water soluble. फैट soluble में विटामिन ए, बी, ए, डी, ई, के है. वाटर soluble में विटामिन बी, विटामिन सी है.